Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy and delicious pancakes using pancake mix. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a weekend treat. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need your favorite pancake mix. There are so many great brands out there, so pick one that you love. For this recipe, we're using 1 cup of pancake mix, but make sure to check the instructions on your box because the amount might vary depending on the brand. Now we're adding 3/4 cup of water, or if you prefer, you can use milk for a creamier texture. Today I'm sticking with water, but both work great. Next, add 1 egg. This helps give the pancakes that fluffy texture we all love. Give everything a good mix, but remember, don't overdo it. A few lumps are totally fine. Overmixing can make the pancakes a bit tough. Alright, while the batter rests for a minute, let's get our pan ready. You'll want to heat your non-stick frying pan or griddle over medium heat. And make sure to grease it with a little butter or oil so the pancakes don't stick. Now pour your batter onto the pan. I'm using about 1/4 cup for each pancake, but feel free to adjust the size to your liking. Let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you start to see bubbles on the surface and the edges look set. Once you see those bubbles, it's time to flip. Look at that golden brown color. You want to cook the second side for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and crisp. Perfect. Now let's stack these up. Look how fluffy and delicious they turned out. Now comes the best part. Toppings. You can't go wrong with some good old maple syrup and a pat of butter. But feel free to get creative with your toppings. Fruit, whipped cream, or even chocolate chips. These are so fluffy and delicious. I bet you're going to love these. So there you have it. Super simple, delicious pancakes made with pancake mix. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of our tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe.